The Kawasaki J-125 is a scooter model from the renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer Kawasaki, designed to combine the benefits of urban commuting with the agility and performance expected from a brand known for its motorcycles. Kawasaki is primarily known for producing high-performance motorcycles, ranging from sport bikes to cruisers and touring bikes. However, in recent years, the company has expanded its portfolio to include scooters. Kawasaki's entry into the scooter market aligns with its broader strategy to diversify its product offerings. The Kawasaki J-125 has a sleek, modern design that combines sporty aesthetics with functional features. It features a sharp, angular front fascia with LED headlights that give it an aggressive, contemporary look. At the heart of the Kawasaki J-125 is a 125cc single-cylinder engine. This engine configuration is ideal for city commutes, offering a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. The Kawasaki J-125 is built to offer a smooth, stable ride, even in crowded urban environments. The scooter is equipped with a suspension system that uses telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. The Kawasaki J-125 features a disc braking system on both the front and rear wheels. The front brake uses a 240mm disc, while the rear is equipped with a 220mm disc. The Kawasaki J-125 was designed with comfort in mind, especially for long commutes and urban riding. The seat is wide and padded, offering excellent comfort for both the rider and passenger. The scooter also features ample under-seat storage, which is large enough to fit a full-face helmet and other personal items. Fuel efficiency is one of the standout features of the Kawasaki J-125. The scooter is designed to offer an excellent miles per gallon MPG rating, which makes it an ideal choice for riders looking to save on fuel costs. The combination of the 125cc's engine, fuel injection system, and lightweight contributes to the J-125's impressive fuel economy. Beyond performance, the Kawasaki J-125 offers a blend of comfort and practicality. It comes equipped with a large under-seat storage compartment that can fit a full-face helmet, a glove box with a power socket, and a spacious footboard. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes with ABS, enhancing control and stability. Emission standards, offering a good balance of performance and efficiency for city riding. The Kawasaki J-125 is a stylish and practical maxi scooter introduced by Kawasaki to tap into the growing urban commuter market. It features a 125cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine that complies with €5. I hope this provided more information and unique, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.